Hi, you look happy.
Well, I just made a chair with a new design. Hey, come on, take a look. Isn't it great?
That looks great. Hey, better register with MIPO then.
MIPO? What's that?
Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, or MIPO, is an agency for registering intellectual property, or IP. MIPO administers and regulates as well as supervises IP issues. Look around you. What do you see?
A lot of things. Electronics, furniture, pictures, and a whole lot of other stuff. What am I supposed to be looking at?
All of these things are all IPs. IP exists in many forms: logo or trade names, books, films, and designs. By registering your chair design, you can protect your created work.
Hey, how do I register?
Just go to the MIPO office and make a registration application. Or you can also do it online. That's not all. Once you've registered, you can reap the rewards.
Wow, how do I do that?
You can publish your IP details, and a lot of people will see it on IPR Marketplace.
IPR Marketplace? Hey, where is that?
The IPO Marketplace is a web-based platform that brings together and connects individuals, investors, and businesses in the commercialization and trading of all IP rights. With IPO Marketplace, you can sell or license out your work not only locally, but internationally too.
Wow, I'm going to MIPO right now. MIPO, protecting innovation, enhancing competitiveness. For more information, go to www.myipo.gov.my.
Trademark is a sign which distinguishes the goods and service of one trader from those of another. A mark includes words, logos, pictures, names, letters, number of a combination of these. Duration of registration of trademark is varied for 10 years from the date of application and may be renewed every 10 years. Before applying trademark, applicants are advised to make sure before submitting applications to avoid applying for identical or similar to trademark field early. All search can be done at public search room, MIPO. A fee rate of 20 ringgit Malaysia per hour will be charged. For normal application, all applications must fill in the TM5 form with statutory declaration and make 5 copies and submitted together with the prescribed fee that cost of 370 ringgit Malaysia. 1 copy Form 49 for Sendirian Berhad Company only, or Form B and Form D, the list of directors or partners from Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia. Submit the application to the office or by mail with cheque or money order or bank draft to Perbadanan Harta Intelik Malaysia. For online filling, IP Online Portal provides filling of new trademark applications, which consists of TM1 to TM31 forms. Other related and supporting documents can be uploaded as attachments during the filling process. Preparation before getting started. Step 1. Prepare all documents in digital format like GIF, TIFF, PDF, or document. Step 2. Please ensure that your trademark representation is in GIF format with a size of not more than 100 KB and 120 x 90 pixels. Step 3. If you are an agent, please prepare your TN1 form to be uploaded to IP Online Portal. Step 4. Prepare your statutory declaration in scanner format, for example TIFF or PDF. Step 5. Prepare your loan list of goods in a document file to be uploaded to IP Online Portal. Step 6. Get your own digital ID from MIPO website. Step 7. Install your digital ID into your PC or save it in your secondary storage device like thumb drive. Step 8. Digital ID must be attached to your application. Step 9. Proceed with the payment. Check the fees in pricing scheme table. Step 10. Print a copy of TM5 form before you make the payment. The last step, print your confirmation page upon successful filling.
What is patent? A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention which is a product or a process that provides a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to a problem. The application procedures is the applicant is required to file Form 1 together with the patent specification and fee of RM290 when making an application. Within 18 months from the filing date, the applicant is required to file Form 5 together with the fee of RM1,100 to request for a substantive examination of the application.
A guide on how to fill in Form 1. Section 1. Title of invention. That state the title of the invention. Section 2. Applicant. Which state the applicant name that could either be a company or individual or both. Section 3. Inventor. State of inventor name. A company or an association names cannot be used as an inventor name. If the applicant is not the inventor, the statement justifying the applicant right to the patent will have to be submitted. Section 4. Agent or representative. That state the appointment agent if he is represented by one. For a foreign applicant, a registered Malaysian patent agent is required for all applications. Section 5. Dimensional application. If there is more than one invention in the application, the applicant is required to divide the application into 2 or more applications. Each dimensional application should be entitled to the priority that of the initial application. Section 6. Disclosure to be disregarded for pure art purpose. This required for a disclosure to be disregarded for pure art purpose in an accompanying statement. This provision is applicable only when the disclosure of the same invention occurs within 1 year presenting the date of the patent application in Malaysia. Section 7. Priority claim, which could claim the right of priority of the date of filing of an early application. The early application must be filed not more than 12 months before the filing date of the application in Malaysia. Section 8. Checklist, which have to complete the checklist provided in this section. Section 9. Signature, which have to sign and state the individual name, not the company or associated name. Online application. The applicant have to prepare all documents in digital form. Example, priority data, Form 17, Form 5, or Form 5A and extra. Besides, description and claim are compulsory documents. They must be uploaded during the filing. Separate the specification into separate files. For example, claim, extract, description, and drawing. Please ensure that your attachments are in this format: document, PDF, and TIF. If you are an agent, please prepare your Form 17 to be uploaded to IP online portal. Get your own digital ID from MyPo website. Next, install your digital ID into your PC or save it to your secondary storage device, example thumb drive. Digital ID must be attached to your applications. Last, proceed with the payment. Check the fees in pricing scheme table and print a copy of patent Form 1 form before you make the payment. Print your confirmation page upon successful filing.
This is a flowchart patent application procedures.
The meaning of copyright is the exclusive right given to the owner of a copyright for a specific period. Copyright protection in Malaysia is governed by the Copyright Act 1987. Currently, Malaysia has no system of copyright registration. To prove ownership of copyright, there are 2 ways. The first is by letter statutory declaration under the Statutory Declaration Act 1960. The second is through the envelope containing the sealed packages of copyright works and subsequently pasted to address itself. The condition that needs to exist to get copyright protection are: copyright exists when the following conditions are met. Copyright must work in original. Second, the work has been recorded, written or made in form of materials. The third is creator must be a qualified person and the work
book is made in Malaysia or first publication in Malaysia.